Is your bougainvillea looking like this? Just a massive clump of green leaves with not a single flower in sight? You've probably tried everything. Moving the pot, watering it more, watering it less, and yet it simply refuses to explode into those vibrant colors we all love. If this sounds like your current struggle, you are in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to show you precisely what you need to put into the soil right now so that in just 7 days, your plant begins to completely transform and show the first signs of an epic bloom. This isn't magic or luck, it's pure gardening science using simple ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. If you want to see your plant covered in a blanket of flowers, just like the one I'm showing you now, stay with me until the very end, because the secret is much simpler than you imagine and costs almost nothing. Hello, plant lovers! A very warm welcome back to Simply Green. The bougainvillea, or paper flower as many call it, is one of the most spectacular plants we can have in our gardens, but it definitely has a strong personality. Sometimes it feels like the more we pamper the plant, the less it blooms. This happens because the bougainvillea is a survivalist by nature. If it feels like life is too easy, with constant water and too much nitrogen, it will focus all its energy on growing leaves and thorns, completely forgetting to produce flowers. Before I give you the recipe for the secret ingredient, you must understand 2 fatal mistakes you might be making today. If we don't fix these, no ingredient in the world will work. The first major mistake is overwatering. Bougainvilleas absolutely hate what we call wet feet. If you water your plant every single day and keep the soil constantly soggy, the plant decides it doesn't need to reproduce, and those beautiful flowers are actually its way of reproducing. To trigger a bloom, it needs a bit of moisture stress. It needs to feel the soil go dry. The second mistake is a lack of direct sunlight. Without at least 6 hours of intense, direct sun hitting those leaves, there is no fertilizer on Earth that will make it explode in color. This is a plant fueled by the sun's energy. Now that you've adjusted the environment, let's get to the good stuff. What is this that you're going to give your plant to see results in a week? For a record-breaking explosion of color, we are going to prepare a potent homemade fertilizer focused on 2 fundamental elements, phosphorus and potassium. While nitrogen makes leaves grow, phosphorus is the chemical trigger that tells the plant it's time to generate flower buds, and potassium provides the strength to make those colors vibrant and long-lasting. To create this powerful mix, you'll need 3 banana peels and 2 tablespoons of bone meal. If you prefer a completely vegan or kitchen-based option, you can use finely ground eggshells instead. Banana peels are one of the greatest natural sources of potassium available, while the bone meal or eggshells provide the phosphorus and calcium needed to strengthen the plant's structure. The preparation is simple. Take your 3 banana peels and boil them in 1 liter of water for about 5 minutes. This process extracts the nutrients into the liquid quickly. Once done, let this banana tea cool down completely. While it cools, go to your bougainvillea and dig a small, shallow trench in the soil around the base, being careful not to damage the main roots. Sprinkle your bone meal or powdered eggshells into that trench. This solid material will act as a slow-release fuel for the plant. Now, here is the secret application method to see results in just 7 days. Do not apply this when the soil is already wet. Let your plant go thirsty for 2 days until the soil is quite dry. On the 3rd day, place the powder in the trench and then water the plant generously with that cooled banana peel tea. This sudden nutrient shock delivered to a thirsty plant causes it to absorb everything instantly, sending an immediate signal to the branches that it's time to bloom. But wait, there is one detail that almost no one tells you, and it makes all the difference for the audience and for your plant's health. After you've applied this treatment, do not go back to watering every day. Keep your watering sessions spaced out, always waiting for the soil to dry at the surface first. Over the next 7 days, keep a very close eye on the tips of the branches. In the spots where you usually only see new green leaves, you'll start to notice tiny tips with a different reddish or purple hue. Those are the bracts, the colorful leaves that protect the tiny white flowers beginning to emerge. If you follow this step-by-step guide today, in 1 week, your bougainvillea will give you the first signs that it's turning into a floral masterpiece. If you found this explanation helpful and want to see your plants thriving like never before, don't forget to hit the like button below. It really helps our channel grow and reach more garden enthusiasts like you. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the Simply Green family so you never miss our cultivation secrets. Now, I want to hear from you. What color is your bougainvillea? Is it in a pot or in the ground? Let me know in the comments. I try to respond to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.